Yeah, man. We're here, baby. You know, Jeff Conley appears to be first. Yep, he's squirreling it up big time, folks. As expected, Caleb said there are advantages of Facebook, like reacting to comments. Can't do that here. Replies, right? Can't window, doing their things all trying to watch Facebook gaming. Yeah. Of course, everything's different. They're all different, man. They all have their pluses and minuses, but that's not those little things aren't why we are doing what we're doing. But you're right, they are different. There's all kinds of different things about them. And we are live on Twitch too, by the way, if you want to watch on Twitch. But I am trying to get everyone over here to get a foothold in the YouTube community first. So I appreciate Jeff, Caleb, you guys showing up right away, folks. Okay, guys, here's what we're doing, man. It's time to freaking kill Radagon, and I've been saying that. It's like been my life, guys, for the last few weeks. And it's getting, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just telling you right now, it's getting old. It's like, we'll get good. Dude, you guys see, I'm getting good. I'm getting better, right? But not killing it. Not killing it. Like right there, I was supposed to drink that first. That's okay. We're going to go in. We're going to get a quick Elden Beast. Here we go. Don't do that. And okay, let's go ahead and get a quick Elden Beast, guys. I think I'm going to try maybe... See, I don't even know. I want to try a different melee weapon, guys. I was thinking maybe Blasphemous Blade, but two of them are kind of like two of these. Two is good, but boy, I'll tell you, I don't have... It's not a stam build, guys. I mean, although we have pretty much the best cap, 60, I think, is endurance, right? I agree, Charlie, getting all I think I see Ace overnight. Dude, thank you, Caleb, man. I'm telling you. I am doing everything I can to take care of this, man. But, oh, wait. I wanted to start dodging at this. Get the poke in. That was close. Getting hit. Do some damn. Come on. I want those health pots for the beast. I dodge those. I miss those all the time, guys. I should have done that second roll. And I blew that. It's okay. Get a couple shots in. I didn't go far enough. That was so good. Get away. Okay, I tried to I didn't golden vow. I think we still probably have some flask up. That was not productive. Okay, we did some damn there. Seven health pots. Just start running and burning my stam now to get in on this fool. I have no idea how to beat that, guys. No idea how to beat it. That was early, and I knew it. It's our first time here tonight, guys. Yep. It's okay. It's the first, guys. The first attempt was a nice, easy Radagon, even though it wasn't perfect, right? So if I can just, and we're starting to get more Radagons, but it's like, Jay Cook, I feel so weird here, but Jay, second retailer, let's go! Diversify, man. Pretty decent damn on Radagon, at least. You got this, Charlie. Yeah, you know what? I really want to save the flask for round 2. And, I mean, if I could just do some reasonable Radagons like that, I can save the flask for round 2. I'm going to go ahead and... Wait, let me get these ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and take this damage negation. And I'm going to buff up with the bow. I'm going to double hand my weapon, and I'm going to try saving the flask for phase 2. I'm going to rebuff the liver, and I'm going to rebuff, and I'm going to hit the flask for phase 2, because this sword does magic damage. Okay. That roll I didn't need. I like these, though. I don't mind this one. Damn it, I should have gone forward. What was that? Oh, he did a double, man. Get up, get up, get up. That was trying to switch my flasks, and I shouldn't have been watching. Okay, we got this. Let's get a good Elden Beast. Usually, when you screw up on those, you can recover. The first roll is not that bad. Good. And I freaking was late on that. I'm telling you that. There's no excuse for all this stuff. That's okay. We're gonna get better. We're gonna warm up. This is like the second attempt of the night. And dude, I know that. Come on, let's do some damage. See the beast. I want the time on the beast. Rolled too early. Yeah, I got greedy at the end there. It's the focus, guys. I'm freaking focusing. I cut your video on here. I deleted your classic wild characters. That was awesome. JH, man, that's Joe. That's Hallett, right? Is that Joe Hallett? Cat McKay, Cat, how you doing, man? Welcome, chillers. Welcome, chillers from across the world, folks. Okay, now, see, I want to, like, burn a rune arc, but it's like, why? Do you guys agree, like, there's no point in burning a rune arc, guys? I want to, but I think it's dumb. I think it's dumb. These holy damage negations, I ain't gonna lie. And let's just go ahead and do this, and let's not do anything stupid, guys. Let's not do anything stupid. Let's get in here and make this happen. Problem is, yeah, Joe Hallett got you, Joe. Cool, cool, cool. I love that. I know Joe H, man. I'm just like, is that Joe Hallett? It is. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Those things are funny because they don't really do a lot of damage. But they're a little bit funny because they do some damage. That was... I rolled a little early, guys, because the spacing wasn't what I like on that attack. A little closer. This is what I like here. Try to get a little closer for this. And then... I went for 4, guys. Oh my god! It's this one. Okay, stay alive. Okay. Do you want to... Oh, wait. I shouldn't have done that. Get the liver. Get this one. I guess I should do some spells till I run out. Because we have them up. I try, guys. I roll that too late, I think, every time. But we're doing damn, guys. We're doing damn. We are doing damn. You gotta admit we're doing damn. Are we doing damn? Oh no! I knew it, but that barely hurt me. And that roll is what's saving. That attack is so tricky with the camera, man. Can't give stars. YouTube place you can't. No, not yet, man. That'll all come later, man. But right now, what you're giving, Jay, is being here, commenting, watching. You can share on YouTube, I think. Charlie knows all his people. I see some get too big and be cussing at them if they say the wrong thing. I like the down-to-earth atmosphere. Yeah, Caleb, thank you, man. Thank you very much. You guys are good people, man. We're very... I mean, we're all very individual, obviously. But I call it like-minded. You know what I mean? Everyone here's kind of got a pretty good attitude. I can't believe... I feel like I want... Okay, see, we're not dying. We are not dying because we're out of health pots. We're not dying because we didn't heal. We're dying because there's a few attacks that just kill me. Not till he gets my... Yeah. That'll come later here. Exactly. Oh, wait. Yeah. I think I want, like, one more amount of podcasts, right? I mean, probably should take more because I think I'm going to keep the sword as a backup. Because, dude, we were getting damn on the beast there, man. And if I can save my flask for phase 2, we'll do a lot more damn on the beast. So let's go here, and let's go to allocate, and let's go for 5. Confirm, okay. Don't get me wrong. I'm keeping my sword on me in case we run out. You know what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, I think I'm keeping 2 on me. Yeah, we got 2 swords, guys. We got 2 swords. We have to all keep watching stuff here so he hits the 4,000 hours. Yeah, but Joe, you know what? Watch what you want to watch. You know, because Caleb was talking about that. And it's like that on Facebook. You know, people are like, they ask all their friends to watch, to like their page. And then they start streaming and there's no one watching because their friends don't want to watch. They're like, well, I got affiliate. And it's like, yeah, and you have no community whatsoever. Then some people get on this follow thing where they try and trade follows, follow for follow. It's really weird. It's really toxic, in my opinion, because it doesn't do anything. It inflates numbers, and people are like, I have 80,000 followers. When I go live, only 2 people come. They're not real followers. You know what I'm saying? So yes, watch. Yes, be here, be part of the community. But you know, if we all just left the video on and watched videos while we were out, I want to go work on the car. I'll put on an hour, 2-hour stream of Charlie's and just leave it on. It'll get me watch hours and it'll get me monetized, but then I'll get monetized and there'll be no community. You know what I'm saying? So that I'm not that worried about because we're already on the path, man. We are already on the path. But you do your part if you want to. If you like being here, dude, that's the best medicine there is. The best medicine there is people that are engaged. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to kill the Elden beast right now, guys. I wanted to save that, and I didn't. Whatever. Okay. Let's do this. For sure, luckily, there's tons of good stuff to watch. Yeah, Joe, thanks, man. Thanks. Yeah, these streams on YouTube have been coming out pretty cool, man. They've been turning out pretty good. We've been getting some people in here who've been having fun. We've been having fun. We had a good, fun stream on Facebook last night. I did it after dark last night on Facebook because I need to be sure everyone in the community knows that we're here. I feel pretty proud that I dodged that one laser beam. That's the one where you can accidentally roll first because I thought she was going to do the other attack. Gotta remember she could follow up the grab with a with an attack. That sucked because that was such a good attack. Okay. I don't even need to put this on, guys. I'm going to. Okay. That's the one where he always lands on me. I don't know how to avoid that. I don't know how to avoid that, guys. And I keep being too far away. What's he doing? See, I need to be able to get in here so like he plops on me. I didn't run out of it, guys. I don't know how. Well, that was a little nasty one. Well, okay. I didn't know that was coming. No damn, guys. We're getting no damn at all. We're getting no damn. Okay. Let's just get to him. I don't know where he's going to be. I have no idea where he's going to be. I used to have an idea where he's going to be. Now I have no idea where he's going to be. Right here. That was timing thing. Got me with that slam that I can never beat. And I tried to go forward and roll that. So this is dead. Okay, that was more Dancing with Ellen Beast, guys. What are we, 2 out of 3 on Radagon? 2 out of 3? So are you stopping Facebook? Jay, no. I'm not. No, right now the chess rooms are going to be there, and I'm probably going to do some After Darks after there, but I'm pretty much moving the After Dark gaming streams here. Yeah, but we're still going to be all the well, we're going to have to rest. Chess streams are going to be there, and I'm going to be doing some After Darks there like I did one last night. Because there's some of that After Dark community. There's people, man, that like sometimes don't stop by for a month or 2, and I don't want to stop. You know what I mean? I'll be doing some there, but yeah, I'm pretty much gonna start streaming on YouTube for the gaming stuff. Not counting the because chess is a game, but it's not because Facebook's getting a little bit wacky. Let's do this. This, and it's time to start diversifying, getting some stuff done on some other platforms, you know. And YouTube is, I'm digging YouTube, man. I'm digging YouTube. So we're gonna be doing some stuff here for sure. But I'm definitely not stopping Facebook. You're gonna see all kinds of Facebook stuff. Yeah. Okay. Big dam here. No flask. I want to dodge that. Okay, he got me. One more. I thought he was going to give me one more. That's pretty safe. I went a little early on that, guys. But that was close. Good. The double, we missed the double. I wonder if you can get him to do that off the edge of the middle. Get up! Wow, he hit me with that. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, that one I'm supposed to miss. I'm supposed to miss that. Definitely supposed to miss that one, folks. So, I'm getting to the point where I'm not giving up on this, guys. I'm not giving up on this. But it's like I think we lost track of the build, man. You know, it's like I'm starting to put on more negation. I'm starting to try different things. Because the build, see, I'm going to put this potency of sorceries back on. It'll hit harder. And so I'm starting to lose faith, not faith, but I'm just starting to lose, I feel like we've lost the thread of this build. And so I'm seriously thinking about, and I've done this before, guys. I'm burning Runarks like they're candy, guys, because I don't care. I want to finish this. All I have to do is get a reasonable Radagon and then a reasonable Elden Beast. And I can do this. So I may be starting another playthrough here and coming back to this. I've done that before, guys. We've done this before. Some of you guys remember. Bubble Boy was on hold for a minute, guys. Because I had so much trouble on this boss. On this boss, man. It was so difficult. And I had summons, too. God, I wish what I'd give to be able to summons right now and go back to the Bubble Boy. I bet I could do it after what I know about Radagon right now. After all the stuff I've learned from doing this. More dam. Yep, I see it. You're lucky you can get 2 of those off. That one, I think, is not that big of a deal. Oh my god, I thought it was coming all the way at me. There we go. Flask. Eat this. All right, guys, this is looking as good as it can possibly look. It's as good as it can possibly look. This is it, guys. I mean, we can't ask for more than that. Did I heal? Did I heal? I might have healed. If I did, I didn't heal twice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is as good as it can get, man. And we're fully buffed. No golden bow. Oh, I'm out of freaking, I'm out of stamina. Oh my god, what a waste of a freaking thing. What did I do? How did I get out of stamina? Do you lose all your stamina when you buff Golden Vow? Is that a thing? Does anyone know? We're going to try it right now. I don't understand what just happened. I buffed Golden Vow. How was I out of stamina? That was like the best. But you know what? That's the thing, guys. That was one of the best Elden Beasts we've had. Starting into the Elden Beast. Least damage around a gun, most pots, buffed up. You know what I mean? I'm like, I want to get Golden Vow. Get Golden Vow. And I had no stamina to run from the Elden Stars. Oh, I shot a couple times. I did. I shot a couple times, guys. Okay, Golden Vow. So the next run we're going to do, guys, is going to be freaking fun. Okay? I swore when I did that freaking bow run. I was so struggling that entire run, and we got it done, man. We got it done, guys. But it was not easy. And I swore I will never be hungry again. I will never play the game where I'm this miserable again. And then here I am just having to freaking... Dude, a lot of people uninstall this game. Someone just said it in chat not long ago. That, yeah, this boss, I uninstalled it. I installed the game after this boss or something. It's like... And a lot of people quit this game before they even killed Margit, the first boss. I went for 3 right there. Yeah, I think there might have been some shots. I gotta take a hit for the I drank mana. A lot of health pots, but you know what? We're playing a game, and I can't channel that. Yeah. So what I think I'm gonna do, guys, I don't want to give up yet. But what I think I want to do is, we had a request. Was it who was it? I think it was Joe Franco, right? And I don't know if he's made it over here yet, guys. That's why it's so important for you guys to be part of the broadcast channel, the alert channel. And I know most of you are, because that's how you knew, and you got the link and you came right here. You know what I mean? Now follow me on YouTube, subscribe, it's free, right? You just click subscribe, and then if you're on YouTube, you'll know I'm here. But if you're on Facebook, you don't spend a lot of time on YouTube, it's a real good way to get the alert. And he was wanting me to do another big bonk run. And the big bonk run was fun. But I want to do, because I'm missing my summons so bad this playthrough, guys. I want to do everything summons, man. I'm going to summon everything off the floor. I'm going to summon strangers. If Drew and Trey are here, if any subs want to play, I will just get you in and we'll just kill bosses, and it'll be freaking fun. To me, that's fun. This is like, I'm fighting, man. I'm fighting, guys. Dodging a few of those is good. That was amazing. When she gets close like that is the only time I have to dodge forward, and I do it. Sometimes. That's like one of the final things. If you notice here, when she does a really fast attack, I used to eat 90% of those. Now I'm dodging about half of them, which is good. It's all just little teeny tiny things that are adding up to a better Radagon, but it's getting tricky, man. Dude, this is NG plus 8. These things don't give you no chances, bro. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna give it everything I got right here. I mean, I give it everything I got every time, but it's just like you have to talk yourself into, like, at least I do, like really, really focusing and really, really not doing stupid stuff, because it's so easy to get greedy. Getting greedy is such an amazing thing in this game. But we're gonna shut that music up. Okay, I believe I did that on time, so I'm not worried about that. That's the one I had to go for, guys. She could do a jab here, too. Yep, and I had to jump that. That's an easy one to remember, too. Come on, baby. This one is easy. That was the jump, but I couldn't, like, run into the hit, I guess. You know what I mean? Wow, I've never been hit by that before. It's so... Not the tube wards! So you... Oh, yeah. Jeff Conley, what's up, man? Jeff, I'm getting my butt handed me by Radagon, man. What would you guys do? What would you guys do? I'm gonna... See, I think busting a rune arc is stupid. Am I right? I should take all my clothes off and not burn anything. I mean, Golem Vow is free. But, like, I should just be getting better at Radagon, right? I made so many of these guys. Holy Proof Dried Liver, been freaking farming those up. Been farming those up for the stream, man. It takes a while, but I just throw on my favorite YouTube video. And, oh, wait. And farm, you know. What's going on, Jeff? How you doing, man? You were here earlier at the beginning, weren't you? Or was that old comments from last stream? I believe you made a squirrel emote. If I recall. What have you been doing between now and then? Squirreling it up? I'll tell you, after this, I'm going to need some squirrels. You could at least dodge a second one. Too early, but I got lucky. Oh, I hate when I do that. I go for my drink and I forget. All right, we're topped off. That was early. I knew it was! The timing, guys. I wasn't even watching her. You have to watch her like the whole time. You have to watch her the whole time. I'm against the wall. Come on, let's get phase 2 so we can get some Elden Beast in. Just did 3. Dude, I went to dodge that. Got her. I already drank my flask. If you're interested, I can get your username on Discord. I can send you my portfolio on Discord if you want. If not, then that is cool. Celine Gamer, sorry to interrupt your stream, but I was wondering if you would be interested in custom designs for your channel. You know what, Celine? Thanks for asking, but no thank you. Yeah, but good luck to you. All right? Thanks for coming in. But thanks, good luck to you, good luck to you. Okay, here we go. At least we got a beast, guys. At least we got a beast. I have no stamina again. Now I do. Now watch it. Okay, he's doing poopies that I think don't really go far. I thought it was a different attack. That's all I can give, guys. That's all I can give on the stam is like 4 shots. That's all I can give on the stam is 4 shots, guys. So. Let's get on them, folks. This is not a bad attempt, guys. As far as dam goes, I don't usually get him. I've had him to like 60% and I think 50%. That's it. That's it, guys. Hey. I should have gone 5. Give me my stam. Now I can run. That worked. My stam back. That thing, I never know how to beat that. Stam. Oh no. Dude, first time I ever got out of that. And he got me. That is the best attempt we've had. That is it. That's 45%. 10 watching, only 4 likes. We need to get those likes up. Caleb, thanks, man. No worries. Should you ever change your mind or want to lick my perfect, feel free to whisper your Discord agent. Thank you, man. Celine Gonzalez, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Guys, that's the best attempt so far. And let me see. Is there something in the equipment? No. No. I have all my heavy spells on, so that's it. We didn't run out of health pots. The problem is when the grab and when he belly flops on me. And I watched people freaking do the belly flop and I can't get, maybe it's because he's targeted. It might be because he's targeted, guys. Oh. Jay, it's okay, man. You can send stars anytime, man. Save them. Save them for chess tomorrow. I liked it now, Caleb. Hey, Cat! Thank you. Thank you. How do I even like here? Someone tell Jay Cook how to like. Jay's experiencing growing pains, and it's going to happen, man. Well, I got to turn this down, guys. I got to turn the heater down. Let's go to the coffee cam if you haven't seen it. You guys all have, I'm sure. All right, guys. That was guys, see, maybe that's all it took was for me to get really annoyed. Maybe for me to get, and I'm gonna save all my DPS for phase 2. I'm saving all my flask for 2. Here we go. All right, guys. Back out of chat. It'll be on the first page. You got to come out of chat when then you can like. See, that's rough, man. That's rough. It's growing pains. We'll all figure it out. Jay Cook, there will be stars here. There will be all kinds of stuff like that here. And when you very first start Facebook, you can't get stars either. Did you know that? I bet you did. Yep, I'm supposed to go forward. As soon as I have to remember this. I have to remember this, guys, and I can remember this. Elden Beast does 2 big swipes, 1 big swipe, next big swipe, then he goes to fall. I have to untarget him and run to his side and roll. Same thing with the grab. I have to untarget him and roll through the grab. That's starters. This one right here, I'm in that position, guys, like freaking, oh my god. And how many attempts you guys think we've done today, guys? Like, I can remember the first 3, and then there were probably 3 or 4 after that. That position, that spot I was just in right there, I'm in that spot all the time, guys. And he doesn't attack. But when he does, I have to go forward. That's the problem. That's a huge thing that if I can just do that right now when I'm going to, then it'll be like way mass damage off of phase 1. Okay, here we go. Let's do this again, and I'll show you the spot I'm talking about. There's a spot like 1 out of probably 6 times he attacks. Shut up, thumbs up, thumbs down, share on that screen. Jacob said, rough as Caleb says, report. Love it, love it, love it. Right here. And if he attacks there, I have to run in. Right here, if he attacks, I have to run in. I took a little... Damn, guys. If he attacks here, I gotta run in. How do you hit me with that? Oh, that was a... That worked out. I had to do that. Can I roll backwards? That one's easy to dodge, guys. I feel like. Little damn. I didn't see that. How? I don't get it. Phase 2. Give me this buff! I think I got it off. Jeff Conley, you guys are hilarious. You guys are hilarious. You guys got to understand, if anyone's new, YouTube, we've been doing this for 3.5 years on Facebook. So these guys got Facebook on the brain, and that's good. Facebook's a good thing. It's been a good thing. Yep, I knew that was going to happen. Run behind him. Drink. Get him. Get your stam. Run for your life. Watch him. Watch him. I tried, guys. I tried. Oh! Okay, get up so we can do it again. Nope, nope, nope. That's that belly flop. I think I need to roll sooner. He drops fast. He drops fast, guys. And, oh, man. He just drops fast. He drops fast. How many people here have beat this guy multiple times or have beat this guy once with no summons? Curious. Just curious. I'm like, I go on YouTube, I'm like, I'm just going to watch some Radagon while I'm goofing around farming. So I'm watching Radagon. People are like, easy Radagon kill. And they use a summons. I always use summons, so I'm not knocking it. But I'm telling you, and there's plenty of guys that have videos of killing Radagon without a summons. But I'm telling you, a lot of people use them. And it's just freaking rough without it, man. It's rough without it. No sticker! Dude, that was actually starting out okay. And I have to focal point, folks. We gotta focus! Say it! Focus! Very good, children. You guys are doing great tonight. Man, I got squirrels in the car, guys, and I'm not doing them until we get something done. What night is it? Is it Friday night, guys? I'm being safe. Those were weird attacks, and I knew them all. I told you I had to go forward, and I wouldn't do it. Okay, big damn. Big damn. Get some damn off. We can't let her have her way with us, guys. Why? I'll take that. And I rolled too early. Yep. Look how slow that is. It's so deceiving. And I'm never in that position. People that play a melee build, they know that attack like the back of their hand. I have to face that like, you know, once every few pulls. And it's like, it's on me. Focus, you got this cat. Thank you. I've actually dodged her waterfowl. I watched some videos, but it's tough. Yeah, man. If they made waterfowl to where if you have some range, if you see it, You just run. You run like this, and then because she'll be far away while she's doing most of it, and then when she makes the big rush, you'll roll through the first one, and then I don't know if you roll twice this way or you roll through this one and then wait and roll through the second one. I think that's it. I've done it many, many times. I've also put on this thing right here. Well, I don't have it on right now. The big, the Great Shield Talisman thing that gives you massive damage reduction. Yeah. And a rune arc. And then no matter how bad you screw up the waterfowl, you could still survive. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys. Throw fire pots when she's in the flower. You got to be facing her back, says Caleb. So it's hard. Yeah, it's not dude. Dealing with Millennia waterfowl. Went forward! I went forward! I knew that was going to happen. Not drink. I hate going that way, but sometimes you have to go both ways, folks. Come on, how could I let that happen? Wow, and then I'm looking at my health pots. Those were my pots for the beast, folks. Too early. It's so weird the way I just fall apart like a freaking cheap suit, guys. It's a cheap suit scenario. I'm doing so good, and then it's like, sometimes, guys, when I start stuttering, I know. I mean, I stutter sometimes, right? I'm freaking speechless over here. I miss one, and it makes me. I guess I want to say scared. I guess it makes me nervous. I get nervous at champs, guys. I get nervous at champs, so you basically got to rotate around her. Got to be facing back, rotate around her. Yeah, well, I'll tell you this. I've killed her, I don't know how many times. Not every playthrough, but I've got 18 playthroughs done, and I've killed her. I bet I've killed Millennia 12 times or something. And I never got behind her. I'm not saying that that's not a technique. It probably is, and it might even be the right technique. But I get right. I've killed her with rock slings, with the mimic tier. I've killed her with black knife tiche, with like rot breath and things like that, and I was never behind her. I'm always facing her. So, I mean, I don't even know how to get behind Millennia. That's interesting. I need to learn that technique because that sounds like a move. I just don't know how I'm getting behind Millennia. Is that what you're talking about? You're talking about Millennia? This is not hard. This is not hard. You just have to be the same Souls player on the first 10 attacks as you are on the second 10 attacks. Yeah, that's all you need. Yeah, that's all you need, guys. Come on. Took a little damn there. I didn't get a... That was a little early, but... Shoot your poopies. That will hurt you so bad. Dude, see how hard she hits? I'm on phase 2. I had to roll a bit early there. I'm not usually this close. Dude, I was already going to buff. I was already going to buff. Thought she was dead. Okay. I don't think he's targeted when I'm doing the thing I'm supposed to be rolling through. I think you have to roll faster. Roll faster. I'm gonna try it. Right here, we got it early. Oh! I couldn't do it fast enough, guys. I just drank. Okay, I'll try again. I should drink. We got it again. Oh, I wanted to freaking try it, man. He never actually did it. He never did it. Her flower is sacred. Yet, I'm struggling on this one too. Yeah. Yes, Charlie. Okay, I like to pick the pretty flowers. Her flower is sacred. LOL. You guys are hilarious. So Joe Franco, as a matter of fact, I wish. How the hell do I get a hold of Joe Franco? I think he's a sub. I need to post in the sub only group. That's what I need to do to be sure everybody knows. We got the buffs off, guys. See, I'm saving all my love for you. I'm saving the flask for Elden Beast. That's why I'm making Radagon hard. Because Radagon should be easier. And I went too early, guys. Yeah. Yep, I told you. That was one a few minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. Oh, this game is driving me nuts. I don't want to appear tortured, folks. That can't be fun. I'm actually having fun. That's it. I'm taking a freaking jacket off. I told you it's getting hot in here, guys. I told you it's getting freaking hot. Okay, now we're loose. Now we're loose like a long neck goose. Now we're playing, guys. We just got to the gym. We just warmed up, and we just took off our freaking coat, and now it's time to rock and roll. You guys feel what I'm saying? These things take forever to farm, and I don't even care. I'm using them like candy. Let's go. Her flower is sacred. They said if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark. We have the best community in the world. We are the chillers. We are nice. We are accepting. Some of us are pretty good at the game. Some of us aren't. Some of us are learning. Gotta watch him. Gotta watch him, guys. That's scary. That's the grab. A little late. A little early. Why did I sit that one out? I think I sat it out because I thought he was dead. That was really close though. See, now we're getting to the point where I'm like, he's dying and I'm already thinking about buffing. On the regular. Right, guys? I think Trey has been here on YouTube before. He has. He has. And I told him, guys, if you guys get notified... Ooh, Trey answered a message, guys. I was talking to Trey about something, guys. About the next build. And he answered me. I'm going to... YouTube. You. Cool. Yeah, he was saying Blasphemous Blades, maybe. Maybe Blasphemous Blades. I think were we talking about the next playthrough? There we go. And we have our watching. There we go. No! I was dead? I didn't know I had to heal. Oh! Blasphemous Blade is cheese for Elden. For Radagon, I know it's easy. Is cheese for Elden Beast? How? I know that it's better than whacking him with probably the Great Moon Swords I have equipped. But we just had one of the best attempts ever. We just had a 40-45% doing damage with this. Should I throw... Are you talking about the fire skill on Radagon in phase 1? Because that's a melt. You got to know how to use it, LOL. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, because that... Is anyone familiar with what he's talking about? The Blasphemous Blade is cheese on Elden Beast. I don't think that's the case. I think it's a easy way to kill Radagon. Oh, wait. It is Radagon. It's Radagon, because Radagon is weak to fire. Radagon's weak to fire. And, like... Elden Beast is really weak to nothing. Fire will hurt him, but he's not weak to it. Magic, frost, they all will hurt him. He's not weak to it. And you can't get the status effect where you get like bleed procs or it doesn't work like that. Not on Elden Beast. And so I think physical damage is the best way to go. Yeah. No, it's okay, Jeff. I still went slow. I still went early, but we didn't die. I delayed as long as I could, guys. Dude, I'm looking at my health to see what I'm gonna drink. I have to stop doing that. Or at least I have to time it better. I'm like, I have a second. I have to wait till the third one. Because she goes real slow. Every rock sling doesn't really phase the Elden Beast. Even rock sling, right. It does damage, man. It does damage, but it doesn't, Elden Beast is probably going to be a little bit of a fight for pretty much any build, I think. But you know what people do? What I saw some people doing, they were using lighter damage weapons. like katana, Moonveil katana. I don't think I've ever used a Moonveil katana, guys. Wait. We're not using that yet. Dude, gotta admit, the beginning of these are going absolutely amazing. All I have to do is keep it for... That was almost it. That was like 70% killer. What's up, Kath? How are you? Sanji. Yeah, man. We are here, folks. We are here for the After Dark community. Radagon torture for Charlie Sardo Gaming. I almost went for 5, guys. I feel like I'm not doing any damn, guys. I'm not doing any damn, and I rolled right there, so only 2. That was a little early, but it worked. Okay, I already know what I'm drinking now. Wow, I get the 3rd one off, guys. I should have gone forward. Oh my god, I thought it... Yeah, I was dead. It's so unforgiving and it falls apart. I'm good, thanks. Yeah, in the YouTube vibes. Yeah, Sanji, I freaking love streaming over here, man. It's freaking fun. And let me tell you what's cool, too. Oh, see, guys, the attempts, guys. I mean, what? Since I put 41 up, guys... I gotta freaking remember to put the attempts up, guys. That's at least 5 more attempts, guys. We gotta go to 46. 47's fine. That's probably more like it. I'll tell you what's really fun too, guys. Because Facebook, the way Facebook has been lately, there's just no growth, man. There's no growth. Not moving forward. It's flatline. It's good. We have a great thing there, and it's good. But you know what's really exciting, guys, is, well, get that off of there, is to move forward. And even if you start all over again, going on YouTube and seeing my YouTube like doing better than it's ever done before by just streaming like 5 times, it's insane. It's insane. It's like it feels like you're doing. It feels like you're moving forward. You know what I'm saying? I have not been able to move forward on Facebook in a long time, guys. That was early. Okay, we'll do a drink. Yeah. How did I miss that? Gives me time to drink. And I jumped early. It's so weird. And then I healed through that one. Do another one. Just shut me down, lady. So annoying. Come on. She hit me with the grab, but she didn't. Oh! She got the follow-up. Dude, she's on a mission! She's trying to kill me, guys. That was way too early. My flask. My buff. Okay, I still have to drink mana. You should try it really good on some bosses. Which one? Don't think I've ever tried. Dude, I almost went and bought one. Kat, you want to try one? You want to go make one? Kat, you mentioned it, and I was at the store looking at the Malekith Black Blades. You guys want to go make one right now? Give it a shot for phase 2. Did you say it's good on Elden Beast? If you guys didn't already know, if you put the ad in front of a name that's now replied, in stream you can follow and have conversations, but once he starts growing on here, yeah, he's true, man. He's true. Once chat's going nuts, but I think some of you guys, everyone's not new to YouTube, but some of you guys might be, you know, maybe not as much. We're a little low on mana, guys. We're gonna that's it. We have one big health pot, guys. One big health pot. Hey! First time dodging it ever, guys! I dodged it! Well, maybe not now. I got in close, guys. Second time I've ever dodged it. Second time I've ever dodged it, guys. Guys, that was worth everything. If anything, guys, if anything was worth it tonight, that was worth it tonight. It's good in Elden Beast. How? Last health pot, guys. Guys, I dodged something I've never been able to dodge before, twice in a row. That one, I didn't know what to do there. I tried to roll it too, and I roll it too early, obviously. Guys, huge. You can't get better at Elden Beast if you can't get to Elden Beast on a regular basis. We've been at Elden Beast more times regularly this stream than we ever have. And I just figured out how to dodge. Something that hits me every time. He swipes, I dodge it. He swipes, I dodge it. If I dodge it, right? Sometimes I miss him. And then he belly flops, hits me every single time. Missed 2 of them. Hype. Elden Ring hype. I get greedy myself. Oh, when I'm trying to take out boss from FromSoft Games. Guys, let's go investigate what Kat is talking about, only because, guys, we have the means, guys. We have the means. Boy, this place is looking ratty, man. We have the means, guys. Wait, is that it? Yeah, right here. Okay, now I wanted to ask too. I'm pretty sure I know which one, but is it this one, Malekith's Black Blade? Congratulations, you've received 100 messages today with Restream Chat. Yay! Thank you, guys, man. Thank you. Yeah, man. Okay, is it Malekith's Black Blade or just Black Blade? Tell me which one that is, guys. I'm grabbing water. What think about me? Plenty of money. I'll buy one. So Kat was talking about the. She's talking about Malekith's Black Blade, right, guys? Malekith's Black Blade. Let me see if I can scroll up, because I can't. Never scrolled up on this before. I wish I could make this. Why can't you make this bigger? It's so weird, dog. 0 options. Hey, Sanji. Okay, I saw that. Oh, wait. Malekith's Black Blade Sword does a number on Elden Beast. That's it. Got you. I'm going to do it for Cat. Yeah, that. Okay, cool. We're going to buy one right now. We're going to pick one up. Yep. Should I get 2 of them and dual wield them? Probably be okay. I think I'll probably be okay. Okay. Now we got to go. We're going to have to burn some runes. Watch it take like, 60 arcane or something. Guys, I know I don't have any runes. So let's go to a little thing called Inventorio. Guys, this is my second son. My first son is Charlie 2.0. My second son is Inventorio. 25,000. Let's start there. Oh, wait. Okay. Equipmentorio. Let's put it here. Malekith's Black Blade. Where? Watch, I had 3 of them already. It's right here. Woo! Colossal Sword. It strengths with, it scales with strength, dex, and faith. That's good, because that's what I have. Wait, no, I don't have faith. I don't have faith. I have strength, int, index. But it's okay. We're gonna level this sucker up, guys. We're gonna level this sucker up. See, the thing is, it says physical 127 plus 97, holy 82 plus 89. Oh, critical 100. Maybe that's what it is. Because I thought holy damage is supposed to heal Elden Beast. Let's just kind of. Oh, it won't let me two-hand it because we're in the house. I have faith that you'll beat Elden Ring. You need to do the special power behind him. Like it's a waterfowl. Okay, strength and armament. Oh, now we're out of money. Okay, we'll probably need about another 15 or 20. Just some walking around money. Inventorio. We'll cover, guys, I'm so cheap, guys. Use. Let's see what this gives me. 20. This should finish her off. Okay. Strength and armament. There we go. Okay. Now, do you recommend... Another thing I can do, I could go respec, because here's the thing, guys. I have 80 Vig, 80 Mind, 60 Endurance, 80 Strength, 80 Dex, 92 Int, and 25 Faith. I could take 12 out of my Int and put it in a Faith, and vastly increase the Faith while barely touching. You know what I mean? I could even take 2 points out of Vig, 2 out of Mind, or maybe 5, put another 10 or something there. Because I have 7 points sitting there, man. 7 points sitting there. I have faith that you'll beat Elden Beast. Is it worth speccing for 7 points of faith into that? One thing, there was a no, that was for another boss. I think I wanted something for a faith thing. We're not going to worry about it right now. But if I need to respec for this weapon, I will. I really will. Let's get back over there and we'll get outside so we can play with our weapon. Oh, sorry, sir. What does it do? Now, am I supposed to use the skill? Am I supposed to use the skill? Because these things usually... Wow. And then the skill would be here. Does that work? Am I supposed to do that, cat? This one? Or we're just talking... whacking on them. Any opinions? Did I waste any mana? Yeah, I did. I wasted a little bit of mana. Now I can't use this on Radagon, but I'll tell you this: what I can do now that we're not going to be doing as much casting, is we definitely don't need as many. Can I add a charge to flask? Sure wish I could. Allocate. I think I only need 2 for phase 1. And then yeah. Equipment Oreo. Remove. Oh wait. Equipment Oreo. No, I'm supposed to have my carry in here. No, I'm not. I'm not using that anymore. Equipment Oreo. Let's put that one here. It's beautiful. I'm pretty proud of my new web, guys. It looks pretty cool. You guys want to flex it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Took me a minute to find it. Honestly, it makes his health go down. I have faith that you. Okay, Cat says, "Yeah, I'm the Elden Beast." You're saying use the ash. You're saying do this. Do that. You want me to do that? Like for instance, on the pole. On the pole, I should have time to do that, right? On the pole, I should have the time to do that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and drink my flask now because this does magic damage. And I think there's no point in saving that for phase 2 now that we have this monster of the weapon. We're going to give it a shot, folks. Okay, good. Let's get a good Radagon and go in there and take out the Elden Beast and turn a party on, guys. I feel like I haven't been able to experience joy for the last week. No, it hasn't been that bad. Well, I hit the edge of that world. I think. Wow. That was such a good start. Yep. On that those portals, I'm still in RNG on those ports. So much damage face, purple wide eyes. Get behind him when he's doing the fire. And do it there. So don't do it at the beginning. Don't do it on pole. Don't do it in his chest, you mean? Like, because at the very beginning, I've got time for like 4 shots before the fire starts. You're saying just run right behind him and do it. Is that what you're saying, Cat? Is that what you're looking for? Because that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to freaking do. Stream Rock comes on at the appropriate time, folks, to get the group hyped. So much damage. Okay, cool. But I don't do one in his chest at the beginning, Cat. That's my question. I would like to know that. You know, like right when you spawn in on him. You can always run up and get a couple shots in. Why would I wait that one? She was nice to me. Got them both! I knew that was early. Okay. No, I didn't get my buff. Yeah, you get hit in the fire otherwise. Okay, just run behind and go. Did damage. Okay. I don't know what happened there. I guess I was out of mana. It takes mana to do it, was my problem. Yeah, okay. I'm learning the weapon. Yeah, it gives him a debuff. Well, what it does is it gives him a debuff on his max health. Yeah, so what it is, just by using that weapon right out of the gate, you get like a few good hits. Hit him, do the special behind him. I see, yeah, hit him once and then run. Okay, Cat, I'll do that next time. And I have to drink up. Because I think I had an opening there for to do it again. Because he did the swipe, and the belly flop, and that's an opening. And ooh, and that Radagon was good, guys. Woo! Are we gonna do this tonight, guys? I'm gonna do this tonight. Well, you know what? We get the flask first phase, guys. That's a big thing. Get in there and kill this fool! Save some health pots. Isn't it funny though? All the health pots have nothing to do with anything. Ooh, one thing I can do is take off. I could put on the Great Shield talisman. Because I'm using my... Yeah, I can, because it's going to help for phase 2. I bet I'll stay alive longer and some stuff. They always give you a second chance. The timing on that's perfect. A little early. Saving stamina, guys. That was a little early, guys. Okay. No! Two, 1. Okay! I have enough mana. Trey! Trey in the house! Trey! Dude, we're doing Malekith's freaking weapon. This is like the second attempt, I think. I learned how to roll a belly flop. I've rolled it 3 times in a row. Whereas that was always a hit for me. So I'm making progress. Right as I start thinking about, I'm not having fun. I want to freaking move on. Let's just let this build sit. Let's go do some big bonk freaking summons and have some fun playing the game for once. And then I'm like, wait a minute. Radagon's starting to die pretty consistently now. I've seen a lot of Elden Beast tonight. And we're okay, guys, here we go. Watch this. I'm going to whack him once. Do I whack him with the heavy? That's all I'm doing. You got away. I didn't do it fast enough. I said I did it 3 in a row. We'll see if I can do it here, Trey. Oh, God. That was early. See, yeah, right there, I should have done it again. Okay, that I wasn't ready for. Yeah, it's like 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, okay. I got to remember that. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm learning that right now. I don't know all my attacks, guys. But the Radagon, Trey, off stream, I farmed up 40 of these, and we have 9 left. 40 of the holy proof dried liver things. What night is it? It's Wednesday. Good. Okay. This, I think, can be as good as anything we're doing. It feels good. I waited. See, because you target him, right? Cat, am I supposed to target him? Or do I just get behind him and aim? I probably should just get behind him and aim and do it, right? Because I targeted him and it pulled me onto the side, and then I was afraid I was going to get the fire, and then I hesitated, and I didn't get all the damage off. So I've got to. Okay, guys, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and Rune Arc this time too, because I can. All right. What's going on, Trey? How you doing tonight, my brother? I'm so glad you made it, man. People are asking about you. I'm like, we were talking earlier, or at least I messaged you and I saw that you answered me back. So I'm like, I got to message Trey, see what he's up to. Okay, here we go. Oh, I was going to trade... I wasn't ready for the double there. No grab for you. I should have drank mana. What if you did a whole Malekith run using his weapon and armor? That would be fun. That would be very interesting. I want to do something more fun. I want to do something easy. I want to do something cheesy. I want to summon people at the door. I want to walk into the boss and like not Royal Knights resolve both big bunks because I don't want to one-shot the boss. You know what I'm saying? I need a run like that. I need a run like that. Yeah. You know, we'll enjoy all the content. And like I said, I'll summon you and Drew for what I can. Any other subs, I'll summon for what I can. when I'll use my regular Ash summons, and I'll summon people off the freaking floor, man. Multiplayer. I want to make every boss an event, and I want to make every boss not have me farming for freaking holy fried livers. And but you know what, guys, this boss, well, Malekith too. Malekith really had me learning attacks more than I've ever had to learn. Because when you have a summons, it's not that hard. You can do it. We're all buffed up. Let's go. No target. I didn't get all off. Okay. I rolled way too early. Was there 3 swipes there? I'm not getting it off. Very similar to Bonk, but you have that debuff attack. Right. Is there, although I'm kind of using my flask for phase 1, I'm just trying to get that Ash down right now. Oh, you know what I'm going to do too? I'm switching this for this. I need to have a little bit more of my trinkets geared for Elden Beast, because the plus sorcery thing is not working at all on Elden Beast. You know, we're gonna Rune Arc again, guys. We're gonna Rune Arc again because I'm spending the big bucks tonight, guys. Big bucks tonight for this stream. I got my game working again tonight. I'm going to make my new build and go into NG+2. Nice. I think my Big Bonk character... This isn't the Big Bonk character, I don't think, is it? I think that in Big Bonk character was like an NG+2 or NG+4 or something. Maybe we'll find him after this, guys. You're going to want to... See, I just want to finish a game. I'm starting to get like that thing where people scream out. I'm not going to say the word because some people actually have a thing. But I'm starting to freaking feel it, guys. I'm not planning this. I'm starting to freak out. I want to kill this freaking boss, and I want to move on. Elden Beast, I want to just pull the bow out. I just kill him with the bow freaking, and just shoot back and shoot him. Like the moves like Jagger! That was early and I knew it as I said Jagger. It's okay. I rolled too fast and I knew it! Get away from the edge, man. Ain't no future in that. Wow. Okay, I knew that was a jump. Can we get the, this one? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the worst pull ever. We'll have no health pots for Elden Beast, but that's okay. That's if we get through this! Whoa, I try to be a good boy and wait, guys. I try to be a good boy and wait. I never wait for that. I have no mana. I mean, I didn't drink. Excited for some co-op streams, right? Howdy. Watchful! 47. It's not even 47, dude. It's like 50 at least right now. Attempts. It's freaking Radagon and Elden Beast. And we just switched to Malekith's weapon for fun. For fun. Because I needed some fun, guys. Shouldn't have done that. You better freaking run away from me, boy. Okay. Wow, I didn't think that stuff was going to be on me instantly. And I didn't know that was going to happen. We're a little low on health pots, guys. I might as well top off. It wasn't a waste. No. No idea how to dodge that. No idea how to dodge that. I've tried running in, by the way. What's he doing? I didn't think those were going to catch me. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I thought I was dead. I missed him. That was a hard hit, guys. We got to top off because we might as well. It's just a nice long fight, guys. We're starting to have long fights with Elden Beast. That's the only thing we can be happy about. Okay. Should I pick up my runes? There's no runes, guys. There's no runes. Okay, I didn't know he was going to do that right there. I didn't know he was going to do that. I'm just trying to do damage. I'm just trying to do some damn, guys. Warming stones. Warming stones, anyone? Watch. Wow. I had full stam. I was running. Yeah, that's, you know what? That's a 70%, you know, excited for some more co-op streams. How do, yeah. Charlie, the co-op streams will be fun. Who's Charlie? Take care. Oh, wait. Who saw Charlie? Take a deep breath. Yeah, Caleb, I'm trying, man. I'm trying for the deep breaths. This is good as anything else. I feel like, you know, this is fun, and I wanted a better melee weapon for him, and I believe this is way better than the Dark Moon swords. The way I was using them anyway. But I don't know. I think I need to save some rune arcs here, folks. I feel like because I feel like the DPS for Elden Ring is petering out. Elden Ring for Elden Beast. I feel okay. I gotta remember this is number 1, guys. This is number 1. It's petering out around. Oh wait, use this. Around 70%. Whoa! I just wasted it. We have to go. Because we ate a holy liver. I love the way that we left the music on, folks. Usually I don't leave the music on in the background for the Elden Ring streams. I usually shut it off by now, but it's okay. It's working. Sometimes Stream Rock comes on in an opportune time. If you're new to the stream, all this music I recorded myself. That's me playing guitar, and it's kind of fun. Wow! Did I have no stam or something? How'd it hit me? Now I'm freaking healing against the beast. I didn't know that was coming! I think I kind of remembered it could come. Now that you say that. Shot him out of the sky, folks. I got the drink off too. Have you tried Twin Blasphemous Blades? I haven't. The problem with the twin thing, Trey, is we're not spec'd for. I mean, we have a ton of endurance, right? But I always get caught. They're so big and slow. You know what I mean? I could try it, man. I'll totally try it. Silly how using magic uses stamina. Also, Watchful, you ain't kidding. How you doing tonight? I've been freaking beating my head on this scene for only 2 hours tonight, guys. And you know what? Hour and 45 minutes. And, but I'll tell you, oh my God. The belly flop, I'm dodging a belly flop with relative consistency. I dodged one grab, Elden Beast grab, which I don't think I've ever, well, I might have dodged one before, but I've got caught in like 6 of them. There's something I improved on Radagon too. I mean, that I actively am doing to take less damage over the entire fight. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, you can see, look, see all the Elden Beasts? Trey? We're getting Elden Beasts. We're getting Elden Beasts. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got the whole thing off on him that time. You're not coming for another one? Yep, and that was the 1-2, 1-2, and I got hit by the first one. I need to recognize that before it comes. With the camera, it's like, okay, I gotta remember when the sword does this and the belly is right here. That was horrible. And I had no problem killing killing Radagon without one of my spells, trinkets. You know what I'm saying though, Trey? Tell me this, like, with the stats. Okay. I mean, my endurance is 60. My strength is 80. My dex is 80. I feel like I'm going to be out of stamina swinging those big things, man. Well, Caleb, stay as long as you want, man. Thanks for being here, dude. If you got to get some sleep, do it, man. You got to take care of yourself. Or if you got something to do, whatever it is, I appreciate you being here as long and whenever you can. So thank you, Caleb. You've been a great supporter of the stream, man. Burn that. Okay, going in. I wasted a health pot outside, but we never needed a health pot. That's the thing. Dude, my Vig is so high. And I just die so fast to these, especially to the Elden Beast stuff, man. But this is fun. I try to dodge that as hard as I could, guys. I really needed that attack. Thank you. Oh my God, it comes twice? Sucks when you don't have time to punish off that. She kills me with that every time. And that's just the RNG thing. Working off 1.5 hours sleep. Oh, Caleb. No way, man. Go to bed, brother. Go to bed. We'll be back tomorrow, man. We'll be back tomorrow. I wanted to try and go to bed early and start streaming big streams in the morning. Like, if I could start streaming at like 9, from like 9 to 3, 6 hours or something, guys. And I'm going to start that new build tomorrow. And so when, like I said, when Subs, when Trey, Drew, when everyone can't always be here when I'm streaming, but when you guys are here and we can get involved, we'll definitely do it. If not, I'm not gonna start at 9 a.m. tomorrow because, guys, I got home from work at 1 o'clock in the morning last night. What we do? We stream till 3:30, guys. I get off stream at 3:30. I'm not like, oh, okay, I'm done streaming now. No, it's not like that, guys. You gotta calm down. You gotta calm down. You gotta relax. You know what I'm saying? And so the whole getting a night's sleep thing, guys, is not exactly on top of the list right now. I'm thinking I'm gonna just I don't know if I'm gonna be able to switch to that freaking time schedule or not. No, not sleep works. Yeah, dude. There's been times where I laid down at 11 o'clock, 11:30 about 4 days ago, and I woke up at 1 in the morning, and I couldn't go back to sleep. I stayed up till like 4 o'clock. I can't change. Well, no. You never say it with your mouth. I can change my sleeping habits. I can, but I need to try harder. I need to do better, guys, because I'm not being able to do it. I'm not doing well. I'm not succeeding yet. Kind of like Radagon. That was a little early. You like that move, Trey? The drag I'm hip to. The drag I'm hip to, man. You can have all my stand, baby. She gets mad when you avoid the grab. How? She's on one, and I knew it. That was a little early, but I'm okay. Get greedy. Ooh, I think I got the man off too! Let's go. I don't know anyone who could do that. Whether you work days or nights, just can't come home after work and go to sleep. Right. I'll tell you when you can, Caleb. When you work both. I used to work too much. I used to work a 40-hour job. Poor Charlie. I used to work a 40-hour job. Then I'd work after the machine shop at the upholstery shop for like 3 to 5 hours. And then I would want to maybe get a little bit of gaming in. Sometimes I get the gaming in between. And then when you work freaking weekends playing music, and weekends also, if you're lucky enough to sell any upholstery work and be working on Friday and Saturday and Sunday in your garage, that's where you make more money than you're making anywhere. I'll make more money on a weekend than I'll make a whole week at the machine shop doing upholstery. But you don't always have that. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have a shop, if you don't invest and commit to it. And so I literally, at one point in my life, I could sit down anywhere in the world and go to sleep within 2 minutes. Because I was just a walking idiot, man. It was horrible. Never going back, guys. Whoa! Did you guys see my hacks right there? My speed hacks? It did some damage. I should have done that. Run. Okay. Should I be doing heavies there, guys? Anyone know? Anyone know? 10 health pots, guys. 10 health pots. All we got to do is get the dam in. Probably shouldn't have done that right there. Probably shouldn't have done that. That quite. Okay, 9 health pots. I rune arc though, guys. Okay, well, we're not dead. I wanted him. Should I be doing heavies there, Trey? Working yourself is always better. No, work for yourself. Some people aren't meant to work for themselves, man. Some people don't do well working for themselves. And I hate one of those talking about people working for themselves. I wanted to dodge that so bad. What's he doing? I wasn't sure what he was doing, but look at that, guys. That's as good as we've done. Would you call that that's 45%? What percent would you guys call that? Because we did that with the staff. We did that with the staff, guys. Do I have enough strength or something? We have 80 strength. This weapon scales some with faith, Trey. You want to steal some? Will it hit a lot harder? Trey Karish, no chatbot here for Jeff Conley to argue with. Trey, this weapon has B strength scaling, Dex is D, and Faith is B. Should we go steal some? Like here's the thing. I mean, we could plan on making this because this is working. Can we agree? I'm getting through Radagon and not using all my health pots, right? We've got it to that point. 69% Jeff Conley. It's not true. I have 92 intellect. There's 12 points just sitting there that we could put into faith. And then we've got, I mean, heck, what's gonna hurt if we take freaking, 5 out of mine, 5 out of Vig, and maybe 5 out of Dex or something. Do you know what I'm saying, Trey? Do you think that's an idea? And get some more faith? Game disagree. I know working for self isn't for everyone. Yeah. Everyone, some people aren't good at managing themselves. You know what I'm saying? Some people aren't good at making decisions. People think, oh, I'll start a business. Go for it. I want you to. People get really, really surprised. They'll be like, I just want to check. Since I can't argue with your bot, I need to argue. Jeff Conley, that is perfectly okay. Jeff, if you'd like to argue with me, I would like to tell you that water is not wet, Jeff Conley. Okay? So, deal with that. Yeah. Checkmate. Water's not wet. All right? And if you don't agree with me, just block me. Just ban me. I don't care. Right? Okay. I mean, what? Oh yeah, I missed some of the pizza things. He throws those slices at me. He got hit by a couple of those. The thing where he goes bing, 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 bing. I think he telegraphs that a lot. Yeah, I think he comes in and out. He comes in and out, Caleb. Sometimes you'll ask him a question, he won't be there. 10 minutes later, 5 minutes later, he'll be back. You know what I'm saying? I could try putting extra points into faith. I mean, the thing is, it's not a lot, but when you only have 25 faith, you go up to 27. Jeff Conley says that was definitely more than 45% damage, and the Elden Beast, though was about 69% damage. Then, oh, I see what you're saying. I work for my family business, love it. Making your own schedule. Are you going faith? Sticky Spectre, I'm not going faith, but we have added some fun to the run, which I needed an injection. I need an injection of rock and roll and fun, and that's what I got from Kat. She's like, just check it out. Just check it out. Just look at it. Just feel the power. That right there is what the price of admission. So, and it scales with strength, dex, and faith. And I have 80 strength, 80 dex, and 25 faith for buffing. So, but I have 92 in intellect because I've had some extra levels. Okay, so I'm like, we have extra levels for the last 12 points. I just put in intellect because I don't care. I can take those 12 and going from 25 faith to 37 faith is a big jump at that level. Do you know what I'm saying? What's your faith pest needles from Sage Gallery in his shack in the K-Lid? I don't have that. After Unite Darkers. Oh my God. Jeff, you're starting a trend. It's after Darkers Unite. His Frost build wasn't working for this fool. I'm still using it on Radagon. And I've got Radagon. I mean, okay, I don't want to get too cocky with Radagon, but guys, 3.5, 4 out of 5. We've just been killing Radagon almost every poll, right, guys? See, like, since Trey got here? Since I got really embarrassed? No, you guys know what I'm saying, though? So, yeah, so I'm still using the Frost on Radagon. But the spells didn't seem to be working very well on Radagon. And the Darkman Greatswords weren't working either. And I needed a big boy weapon. So we went and got this sucker. We bumped it up to plus 10. Okay. Only the best here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. And, yeah, pest needles. I would rather, only because I just got him to 40%. And I mean, you understand that an hour ago, I was talking to chat like I wanted to quit the game. I'm like, I got my Radagon. I feel like a loser. I'm like, I want to start a new build. We're going to let this one sit. We're going to go do a rebuild, a rebonk, because this is a no summons run. It's only my second no summons Souls run ever in any Souls game. I did it once, and it was with the big bonk, and that was pretty much a cheese. Because Royal Knight's Resolve, ding, 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 boom. You know what I mean? And so this playthrough, I've really, really gotten better than any of my playthroughs, other than maybe like the first one where like where you're learning how to stand up in a Souls game. I probably learned a lot in my first playthrough. But I had to learn how to watch Malekith, man. I had to learn how to stare at him. Because I couldn't kill him. And I'm just getting to the point where I'm getting better at Radagon. Trey says, Darkers after Unite. No! I might have to get some t-shirts printed up for the get-together, man. He's holy, so death build. Well, like I said, we started this out as a great moon build. The Great Moon swords and all the Snow Witch stuff, all the Frosties, man. All the Frosties. I have 2 blasphemous blades. I can go respec the blasphemous blades and melt Radagon and probably do pretty damn good against Elden Beast take me a few turns, and I think it might be easier. But now that I've got this weapon, I don't think I need Blasphemous Blades, because I've already worked Radagon out with my casting scenario. Radagon's good. I mean, technically, I guess if I was full melee, these two trinkets here raises magic attack but lowers damage negation. Like that one right there, I should maybe change that for Pearl Drake or something, because that's not helping with Elden Beast, and I'm freaking dying too much. You know what I'm saying, Trey? Like, what if I just try that and see if I can still kill? Greatly raises potency of sorceries, and that way I've got like 3 damage negation things on me, because the Elden Beast is hitting me too hard, man. Just turn the aimbot on. He's Holy So Death build. I mean, this is really getting away from the build, but you know what? You should do the shirts. I would definitely buy one to support you, though I can't make the meetup. Yeah, man. Yeah, I probably should do some meetup merch. That would be pretty cool. Okay. I'm gonna try one with the Pearl Drake on. The biggest thing, I don't know if it's gonna help at all, but I know it's not gonna make me take more damage. And when I go into Elden Beast, I'm not using sorceries, and I'm taking more damage because of that freaking trinket. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm going hard, guys. I'm going hard right now. We're going full. Whoa. We're going full, except Radagon might be a little bit harder, because we're not going to do the DPS. But I might not take as much damage, I'm hoping. No, I definitely won't take as much damage. Even if the Pearl Drake doesn't help at all, just taking off the magic seal will help me take less damage. But I gotta not act like I don't take damage. I gotta play the game like no-hit style. Oh, I double rolled there. Why? Why would I do that? I think we don't need mana coming up. Dude, why would I eat that? I like this attack. Going in with 11 pots, fully buffed, folks. And a Pearl Drake talisman. Dude, I got hit. I got hit. Guys, that's not a bad Radagon. That's not. People be like, easy Radagon kill. And they go in there and they get hit by everything. They get hit by everything. You know what I mean? It's funny. Now, not everybody, okay? You know, there's a lot of great players, man. There's a lot of great players. Oh, and these attempts, yeah, we got at least, you know, at least 2 more here. We're just gonna put it there, because the attempts are not scientific, okay? Got away. He did it so quick. Dude, what a waste of a rune art. Like I didn't realize I was so late on that thing. I really thought, you know what? Just run behind him and hit him. We could throw some into Faith. Yeah, Trey. Let's go do that right now, guys. Let's go see my girlfriend. Guys, don't be weird. Breaking news. Charlie Sardo Gaming's girlfriend. Guys, there's a thing. You guys have heard of like furries and things like that? My girlfriend She's a pumpkin hugger. No, there's nothing weird about that. She likes to hug pumpkins. That's okay. Guys, don't freaking make any faces, all right? We need to get this respect. I don't want to freaking hear it, guys. No, I don't want any freaking faces, man. No faces, guys. She hugs her freaking pumpkin. That's okay. It's okay. You guys be nice. But you guys be freaking nice. Shh. Shh. Wait. I think I see her. She's right there. Wait, let me look. I'm trying to see if she has her... Oh, this is behind her. Okay. Honey, I brought some friends. Do you have the... Is there... Oh, you see it, guys? You see the edge of the pumpkin? There it is, guys. That's the family photo. Me and my girl and a pumpkin makes three, baby. We're going to name it. It's going to be our little baby. It's going to be absolutely magical. Kick his Elden booty. Okay, I'm going to talk to this girl. She's going to respect me. Now. Yeah, thou. Yeah, you're embarrassing me in front of my friends with your pumpkin. Again. Okay? Thank you. Rebirth. Yes, larval tear. Guys, one thing about me, I got plenty of larval tears. Are you seeing my comments? I would take out of int and dex. I'll tell you one thing about... The only thing about this that is so annoying is Charlie married a furry. The chat they give you, I've got to figure out a way to make it bigger and longer like I have on Facebook. If I just pulled my stream up on YouTube, I could probably do it in a window like that. As a matter of fact, I might have one up. Let me see. Because, but see, this is the multiple. This is the multiple. You know what I'm saying? It's the Twitch and the Facebook. So maybe I'll leave that there and see if I can find a little spot for this. Let me go to my channel. I'm gonna pull up my stream. 15 people watching. Oh my god. Okay. Calm down, Charlie. Everybody's gonna be just. Everything will be alright. Here we go. Yeah, I gotta make that big. How do you make chat? There's chat, but I can't pull it down. Yeah, because I'm not in like a dashboard. I'm not in a dashboard. Kind of sucks. I'm just trying to freaking make everything perfect over here. I bought the monitor. I bought the tall monitor for a reason, guys. Right? Okay. So we could throw some into Faith. I read that. I would take some out of index, right? Okay, yep. That's exactly what I thought. Charlie married a furry. I expected that from Jeff. Actually, that was good. Are you seeing my comments? Truth says it's beautiful. Truth, what's up? Sticky Spectre, face purple wide eyes. Oops, I thought you were talking real life girlfriend. You had me, Caleb. And then when you saw the girl in the game with the big orange pumpkin, the pumpkin has your head, Charlie. 1, 2, 3, Trey Carish. Mind, I can see your comments, Trey. Yeah, they're there. I got them. Yeah, okay. So Vig's at 80. Oh, wait. Vig. Oh, mine goes to 80. Yeah, you know what? I could take a few out of mine, too. Because mine... really, I mean, more mana is more mana, and I gotta put them somewhere. But, like... Well, let's see what we're gonna take. I don't want to take too many. Like, for instance... Right now, int is 92. If we keep int at 80... Oh, but that's only... See, that's only for phase 1. It sucks. See, it's a split build, man. It's a split build, but we've got Radagon down and we've got Elden Beast at 40%. My faith was at 25 and we had 12 points laying around in intelligence. So if we go to 37 for that, and then I'm going to put everything back where it belongs, and then we'll see where we think we should pull some out. Endurance 60, I think we need it, man. Strength 80, I agree, not screwing with it. Dex 80, so you think like 70 Dex? Take 10 out of Dex? 10 likes, let's do this, guys. Thank you, Caleb, for rallying the troops. Like, my Dex was at 80. I think maybe like Dex down to like 70. Charlie is like 5 minutes behind chat. Am I really? Like, I just read that. Charlie's 5 minutes. No, I had to scroll way up to read your comments, Trey. That's why. But like, type something right now. Jeff Connolly said LOL. How long was the delay on that, Jeff Connolly? Caleb Boyd said LOL. Am I really 5 minutes behind? Could be. I bet Twitch. Are you watching Twitch? Am I 5 minutes behind chat? They'll be like, well, we're not really chatting, so. Okay. Something right now. No delay. Yeah, there's no delay. No. I tabbed out of the game screen, went over here, scrolled up to try and find Trey's comments to read them, which, yeah, I had already read them once, which he said, because I said that's exactly what I was thinking. It was take them out of int and dex. Trey, do you think dex is 80 to 70? Like, how much do we want? How much do we freaking want? Maybe 5 or 10 second delay. Yeah, but what about the time it takes me to read and comprehend stuff? I want to take like 1 point out of Ig, and I want to take 2 points out of mine to get faith at 50. I feel pretty good about that. Now the faith is at 50. This thing should hit a little harder. It's a shame that we can't hit him with a freaking dragon poopy at this point. A dragon breath. Caleb Boyd says no. Sticky Spectre says balance. Yeah. Well, you know, the fact is, everything is almost at hard cap, right? Congratulations. You received 100 messages today with Restream chat. Welcome to what Restream they told us an hour ago. He's just not reading chat all the way. May need to fast forward the video to catch up to present. Yeah. I'm not reading chat all the way. I'll admit my chat is a little bit smaller here. Now there's like there's no option to pop it out. I want to pop out chat. There's an option for embed chat, but I think that's embedding chat over there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to look into that, guys. That's something I'm going to look into to make the chat flow a little bit easier, because you guys know me. I'm all about chat. I just fast forwarded. I don't know how I got behind. That's okay, Trey. It's all right, brother. YouTube is wild. Don't worry about it, man. You hear now? Yeah, so Trey, what I did was I got the faith up to 50. I took the 12 from our int was at 92. So I brought int back to 80. And I took the 12 points and stuck it in faith. I took 10 out of dexterity, put it in faith. And just to make faith be 50, I took a point out of Vig and 2 points out of mind. So Vig's at 79, mine's at 78. My drinking timing is not going to make any difference. You know what I'm saying? Yep, LOL. It happened to me a couple times today. Cool. Yeah, so 50 faith. 50 faith will that make a difference? Will that make a difference? Well, it might only make a difference like with the ash or something, right? It won't actually make a difference with the actual whacking. Try pest needles once. It's crazy. Sticky Spectre, one time I will for sure. I will. I would have taken everything out of Dex after the int. But it's all good. I don't understand what that means. I would have taken everything out of the Dex after the int. You mean make faith 80? I mean, make faith 80 and like dex below. Getting faith to 50, all out of dex. Getting faith to 50, all out of dex. No, I'm not all out of dex. Did you hear what I said? I do think you're forgetting the counter again. Yeah, I'm sure. I would have taken everything out of the dex after the int. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, you know, I could take some in out. Like what I could do is, check this out. I could take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd take 5 out of int and put it into dex. So now dex is 75, int 75. See, I still got to kill Radagon. I got Radagon. We're never going to kill Elden Beast unless I get Radagon. And I got Radagon to where I'm killing him. You know what I mean? And I kind of want my int. But wait, I was saying that is what I would have done. I instead of some. Oh, instead you would have just took it out of intellect. Yeah, but I still got a freaking I still got an ice crag Radagon, right? You know what I'm saying? 80 int was the move. I would have left the others alone and take the rest out of dex. I feel like you just told me you would have taken it out of int. That's what I don't understand. So you like 80 int. You like 80 int. You say take it out of dex. You want to go like dex 60? You like dex 60? And then I have another 7 for faith, 57. You like that? You like 60 dex, or you want me to go to 50? 80 int was okay. 80 int was the move. I would have left the others alone and taken the rest out of dex. All I know is we got the faith up, and I don't think anything else. I don't think anything else is going to kill us. And I still have my easy build for Radagon. I'm going to go with this. Either the biggest thing is turning the faith from 25 to 57. That's huge. You know what I mean? Those are big points. Those are big boy points. As opposed to 75 and 80, no big difference. Dex is barely helping you. Really? Dex is barely helping me. Cool. Well, I probably... Wait. But look. This Malekith's Blade scales with Dex. It scales with Dex. It just scales with Strength, Dex, and Faith. So it's helping. I know it's the D scaling, but it's still going to give me something. Yeah, this should help a lot on the wacky wax, right? Guys, let's give it a shot. Boy, I'll tell you, man. I can't wait to get back in there and freaking show Radagon what's going on. But it scales with Faith more. Yeah, right. Yeah, but maybe that's why we need to put more. I see what you're saying. Yeah. So, like, you know, Faith 70 and Dex 50 or something is what you're saying, right? Well, you know what? Let's give it a shot. You know what happens, Trey? Sometimes on bosses, I'll hit a wall where, like, I can't get him past 30%. It's not happening. It's not happening. I don't have it in me to fight that long and dodge that many things for that long without a mistake. You know what I'm saying? And if we need to dial it in one more time, I got larval tears for days, guys. Well, where did we say the larval tears were? Are they keys? I have 24 larval tears, man. I mean, dude, let's just go. Let's just do it right now. I don't know how many times you live, Trey. How many times you live? I only live once. Okay? Yeah, let's just do this. When you play these types of games, do you concentrate on the stats? He says, yeah, I do. This should be better for sure. Yeah, no, that would be better for sure, but no. I'm going to come back. And the Dex isn't making a big deal on the ice crag. Right? At least 7. Rebirth. Yes. The Dex isn't making the Dex isn't making a big deal on the. Well, okay, we got this. Let me see. Vig. I'm gonna keep the Vig at 80 because that's what brought us to the party. Mind. I'm gonna keep the mind. You know what? We don't need as much mind. We really don't. The mind is very specific. What's going on here? You know what I mean? I'm only gonna go 75 mind. The endurance is going to 60. I actually almost, except it very much falls off, I think, at 60. Strength is going back to 80. Okay, I'm going to read what you're saying, too. At least 45, 50 dex. Okay, strength, 80. Dex, let's look at what 50 looks like. And then intelligence, you said intelligence 80 was a move. You're cool with 80 intelligence, right? Because that's a big part of phase 1. And then faith is going to give us, we'll see what we have left for faith. Faith is at 72, man. Faith is at 72. Mine 60. My mind's at 75. I already drink once in Radagon. You think 8 for mind? Okay. Cool. Cool. So 75 faith. 75 faith. 80 vig. 72 mind. 60 endurance. I almost want to add a little endurance, but I'm not going to. 80 strength. 50 dexterity, intelligence. And you know what I might do? You know what I might do? You understand what we got right now, Trey? I don't know if you can see it on your screen. I'm sorry, I started reading and I stopped. 80 big, 72 mind, 60 endurance, 80 strength, 50 dex, 80 intelligence, 75 faith, and 8 arcane. 8 should have gotten you to 80, or did I do the math wrong? Faith is at 75 right now, and I'm out of points. You really want... well, you know what? I'm going mind 70, and I'll go Vig 77. Because the problem is not Vig. It's not. It's not. The problem is just freaking dying. You know what I'm saying? I almost always have health pots left. They just, you know, the problem is getting deleted. You know what I mean? Let's try this. Oh, wait. I got to put the rest in here. 80 faith. I don't know why we need to, though, man. I'm going back and forth. I mean, when you get to 80 faith, nothing good happens. The numbers just really start to fall off, right? So, no. I'm just going to do it the way I was doing it, guys. I got my mind at 72, my Vig at 80, Dex 50. Faith is going to be at 75. I don't need to get to 80. Yeah. 80 faith seems good. Yeah, I get it, but you know what? We just did it. We just got him to 40% with 25 faith. And we got 75 now, and we're not taking too much of a hit. So that's what I'm going to go with. They're all close. Yeah. They're all so close. They're all so close, right? Like what is this thing even scale with right here? Strength, int. So that's good. That's good. We kept... This thing's going to hit like a tank. You know what I'm thinking about doing here? Because I put the Pearl Drake here to try and like stay alive more and stuff. Do you think Pearl Drake's doing anything at all? Because I almost want to put like one of these little green guys. Raises stamina recovery speed. I know that's going to help with phase 1. And with this big heavy weapon, I think I'm going to do it. Okay, but yeah, I confirm that, right? Stats. Yeah, Faith 75. Okay, good. Now we're going to go back and give it a shot and see how this thing hits the Elden Beast. After Darkers Unite! Okay, I don't want to go to Kaled. I mean, I really do want to go to Kaled, but we can't do that. We're not doing that right now. Do you have Blessing of the Erd Tree? I think I have everything. I think, but is that not going to stack with, like, Golden Vow? Is it better than Golden Vow? I have it. I think I have everything. I bought everything like a freaking psycho. Every time I see something, I buy it. Blessing of the Erd Tree will it stack with Holy Proof Dried Liver? Or is it better? Memorize spell. Blessing from the Erd Tree. Let's look for it. Okay. I'm gonna look. Watch me not have it when I was like, I have it. Okay, I have everything, okay? Yeah, watch me not have it. I probably won't. Blessing from the Erd Tree. I made that part up. Grants greater blessing to self and nearby allies. Recovering spell. What does it do? Do I have to stand in it? Only... I mean, any spell will help me, right? Thing is, do I want to bother casting it, and do I want to bother standing in it, or do I want to, you know what I mean? I can bring a heal too, but I'm not going to. Yeah, you have to stand in it. Yeah. No, thank you, man. Thanks for the idea, but I don't. Right now, the big changes we've made tonight are this. I am not getting hit by the belly flop as much on the Elden Beast. I dodged a grab from the Elden Beast. We are getting to Elden Beast almost every pull. And my Darkmoon Greatswords were not doing enough damage when we hit him. And we had a pretty much a record tonight getting him to 40%. So we respect our thing. Yeah. Gradually heals. Okay, not standing. I got you, man. I got you. Yeah. I don't like things on my cast bar. Look at this. All my spells. Gold Vow, Glintstone, Ice Crack. That's it. That's all I have up. I'll finish the game that way. I finished the game with freaking meteor freaking rock sling on my freaking bar. You know what I mean? I don't like to switch while I play. I like to have. I'm a one spell fool. Okay, here we go. Now, if we run into a problem, we'll fix it. Yeah. Like I said, I could do Terra Magica at door 2, but I'm not going to. Thank you though, but I just don't want to. Forgive me. Yeah. I don't want a big buffing sequence. I already have to do 3 buffs. You know what I mean? Sticky. I get it. I believe it will. It will constantly heal. So you're saying I could buff outside and just walk in and constantly be healed? How long does it last? Like a minute or something? If it lasted until Elden Beast was dead, I would cast it. But it's halfway through the Radagon fight, or toward the end of the Radagon fight, it'll wear off, right? Just like Golden Vow. Am I right or no? You tell me. I wonder how long it lasts. Because I'd have to, like, recast it. Because the problem is not Radagon, the problem is Elden Beast. He's on one. He's on one, guys. He's on one. He's doing some weird stuff. He's doing weird stuff, guys. I like the stamina recovery, though. Oh, my God. I get hit by that? I don't understand it. Maybe I'm walking into it? It's at the end of the world? No. Dude, she's killing me, man. I'm glad I didn't waste a freaking rune arc. I'm glad I didn't waste a rune arc. Dude, she never threw a single lightning bolt, did she? Did she throw one lightning bolt? The music needs to go away, guys. Now the music needs to go away because yeah, that has to be. I can't believe no one told me. 60 seconds, right. Yeah. Great, yeah. I mean, that could have helped me there, maybe, but probably not. But yeah, gradually was cool, man. That sounds like a great buff if it stacks. 55, here we go. Oh god, at least 55, man. Yeah, at least 55. Put 3 on there. I don't really care. Here we go. We go here first. We go here first. I don't want to use the last of my buffs. Come on, I should have been ready for this. Until we get to see some Elden Beast action, and actually then I've got a few more of the. I burned one here, the Holy Protection liver things, and I've got some rune arcs, and I want to get to the Elden Beast and either kill him or get close a couple times, and then go all out with all the other stuff. 55, here we go. Truth. Okay, here we go. And you know what? I guarantee it's because we changed his stats. Now he's back on his pattern. Get away from me. I double rolled because I felt weird. I could have punished, but I had a drink. I want the big one so I can drink. There we go. How? Oh my god, she hit me with that? Dude, there's no way. Get me out of the poopy. This will take forever and all my health pots. And I jumped early! Why? See, I just get thrown off, guys. I freaking suck at this game. I'm so mad at myself. Now I just want to kill it and see the next level. You know what I mean? Oh my god. Okay, I'm not. Hey, Nawats, what's up, man? Welcome. Watching on YouTube, man. Sub over there if you're watching on YouTube. I know you already have. Nawats, good to see you. That was the worst Radagon ever, but we got through it, and now we get to see what this thing hits like. Wilmot! Okay, he's gonna swipe me. Where is he? Oh, he's way over there. Okay. Okay. One thing about me. Plenty of stamina. Keep an eye on him. Look at the stamina recovery. caught me in animation, guys. He caught me in animation! He caught me in a freaking animation, man. Good dodges. Thank you, man. He caught me in animation, guys. God. It's okay. Did you guys notice any difference in the dam? I noticed that it wasn't bad on like the first couple of hits. I didn't really get to do very much dam. That was a very early grab. That was a little cluster effy. We're doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this. And easy Radagon. You definitely took beating. Yeah. That was, I lost sight of him, and thank God he was far away. Thank God he went away, because I didn't know where the hell he was. Oh my God. Dude, I have to, when she's close like that, I have to roll forward, guys. And I won't do it. Whoa! She attacked a person that wasn't even in the room, guys. Okay, that was bad. I rolled early, but I think I got away with it. Panic all the way through, guys. Wow, there's no way. Yeah, I remember that one now, too. Dude, she punched me. She just freaking hunted me down, man. I do better with a little bit of range, man. You need to do the Ash. Use the Ash on Malekith Blade. You need to do the Ash. When? You're talking about on the pole? Because I felt like it got me killed one time, but I did it too late. You're talking about on the pole, right? Or you're talking about, like, all the time? Because... Tell me. Come on. Oh my God, the message! I hate the messages, but I love them all the same. On, you're talking about on Elden Beast, use the Ash more than I'm using it? Why would I roll? It's okay, I got it right back. I didn't freaking move away! Why? Dude, I'm having to fight it like a melee. You're supposed to be away from me! Stop swinging on me, fool! I didn't see that. I didn't see it with the spells and stuff. I didn't even see She came in at like a straight angle, you know what I mean? Didn't use it last time. Yeah, you know what? I'll be honest, man. The commitment, I mean, do you like literally use that? Oh, I didn't use it. I didn't use it at all since we added the faith. Is that what you're saying, Cat? Wow. Yeah, it was kind of the whole point, huh? Okay. I feel... No, we got this. Okay, let me get this buffing sequence better. Here. 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 No. Oh my god, the freaking messages! There goes all my buffs, guys. The messages, guys, they keep screwing me up. Nice dodges. Thank you. Not too bad, man. But, dude, this NG plus 8 is not a joke, man. This NG plus 8 is not a joke. I think, I might have half the time in Radagon that I had in my first Fire Giant. So I'm not going to worry too much yet. I wanted... Wow! Tell me she didn't shoot that too fast. Get me out of here. She's on me like a freaking psycho. Can I get some dam off? Okay, get up, get up. They just want to see the faith on the... That was quick. That was a quick recovery, guys. What? I walked into that, guys? I walked into that. Two. I got it. I don't know if I have mana for it. I'll do a quickie. What was that? That was like what, a really bad Radagon. I have no mana. I'm in the fire. I'm in the fire. And I was late on that. But at least I know I was late on it. I know the attack. It did some damn. Where'd he go? I'm out of mana, it's a problem. Whoa. Really? Watch him. I gotta roll faster than that, I guess, on that one. I tried to run away because I wasn't sure what was gonna happen. That was like, HP just dropped, bro. Did we do some damage? I just, boy. When he starts doing the sword in the front, I still don't know exactly what's happening. I remember one stabbing thing where he's going like stab, 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 stab. I'm like, okay, good. I got to try and time that. Right? Yeah, man. I don't freaking know. 2 hits. 1, 3. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you what. I freaking love you guys, man. If you're new to the stream, drop me a sub on YouTube or a follow on Twitch. I appreciate that very much. If you guys like what you see, we've been doing this for 3.5 years, or streaming for 3.5 years on Facebook Gaming. I'm a Facebook Gaming partner, by the way. As the DLC comes out, we're going to be doing all of that. We're going to be doing all of that, all different ways to Sunday. As soon as I kill this thing, and guys, I made massive progress tonight. Let me tell you what the progress was tonight. We went from killing Radagon like 1.5 times out of 5 to like killing him like 3.5 or 4 out of 5. And then we went from, I think, around 55% on Elden Beast to like 40% on Elden Beast. And we just added this weapon that is looking pretty good. But I'm getting burned, guys. I'm getting burned. We did I do an early stream? No, I didn't. We did a chess stream today. Longest stream of the week, folks. If you have any interest in chess, come to Charlie Sardo Gaming right here on YouTube. Check it out. There's content there. There's reels. There's long-form content. And on Facebook, we stream live Monday through Thursday at 4 p.m. All levels welcome. We will teach you how to play chess, or we will make you better. Or you'll make us better. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, guys, it's a reasonable time, man. If I can get to bed by 3, that would be like 2 hours earlier than I went to bed last night. And that would be a good thing, guys, right? Tournament champion, congratulations. I won the tournament today, guys. I won the tournament today, man. It was crazy. And I beat Dominic, man. He missed the intermezzo. Jay, did you see the intermezzo? It's a very common theme, man. And I saw it, and he didn't. And he knows it. He knows it better than I do. I play good enough to beat him sometimes. You know what I'm saying? He's a very good player, man. And a real nice guy, too. Very worthy opponent. So, yeah, man. Thank you guys for all the likes. If you guys throw me a sub on YouTube, that'd be great. If you like what you see, and if you're bored, you're like, oh, man, go back and watch a Malekith kill. Oh, my God, it was so great. It was so great. The Fire Giant. Oh, my God, is that... Fire Giant, I think, might be on Facebook still. But the Malekith kill and the Godfrey, boy, that was so hard for me to get down, man. But we did it, guys. A horror freaking Lou. Guys, I'm doing this solo. I'm not a Souls player. It's not easy to kill these bosses NG+8 without a summons, man. That's why I die all the time. Anyway, guys, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, I play Elden Ring After Dark. Freaking love you guys. Thanks to my mods for being here. Trey, are you a mod on YouTube? Trey. Now I'm going to do some housekeeping right here. Yeah, I mean, you guys are welcome to hang out, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my channel, I'm going to pull my stream up, and I'm going to see if I can find Trey's name, and I'm going to see if he's a mod, and if not, I'm going to add him, because, guys, we got mods here. Trey, I am not a mod on YouTube. I know you are on Kick. We left Facebook late one night, and we went over to party on Kick. And Jeff Conley is even a mod on Kick because he was there. It's like, hey man, add as moderator, standard moderator. Can review and remove chat messages and hide or put users in timeout. You can't even ban from page. Wah, wah, wah. No ban from page for you, Trey. Do you guys know that the moderators on my stream can ban people from the page? Meaning they can't tag my page. They can view my page, but they can't tag it. They can't comment. And if I don't go check the ban list, I wouldn't even know. Yeah. I just added it, Trey. So yeah, You got, oh yeah, you got your little wrench now, man. You got your wrench, Trey. Cool, cool. Yeah, how about on Twitch? Trey, are you a mod on Twitch? Or no? You probably are on Twitch, right? Where's my channel, buddy? Yeah. Just Trey, if you want to, yeah, we don't have to worry about that right now. Twitch has been pretty quiet, but I want to thank Nawats08 for coming on Twitch. And yeah, I'll look at those stats later. Hey, we're almost up to 130 followers on Twitch, man. Guys, I should have been growing these things the entire 3.5 years we've been streaming. But you know what? I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. Thank you guys so much for everything, for a great stream. I will start raiding people. I'm expect you guys to freaking hang out for a minute so I can raid somebody, but we're not doing it now. Can you even raid on YouTube? Can you raid on YouTube? I don't even know if I can while I restream. On Twitch, I think I see an option to raid. It says raid channel. Yeah, Celine Gonzalez followed you. Cool, we picked up a new follower tonight, guys. Thank you, Celine. Oh, it says, oh yeah, no. That was the person who was trying to sell me stuff. Never mind. All right, guys, I'm calling it now. You guys are the freaking best. I love you guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow. We're doing this more. This isn't even my main YouTube account, but it's the one I could sign in the fastest today. Trey, if you want to swap them, I'll mod the other one too. I don't give a crap. You just tell me when, all right, brother? I love you, Trey. Thanks for, dude, Trey, I hope you had a good night. Thanks for being here, man. And you think we can do it with this, huh, Trey? You think we can do it with this? If I'm nervous, I'll just spend 48 hours this weekend farming 10 levels. And squeeze the points in big. I hope I don't die. Love you guys.